Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bring on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, besides paying homage to a rap superstar, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel also shared a part of his musical and also life journey, viewers and subscribers. Him say when Tupac passed, he was just a 20-year-old youth with a dream of becoming a musical star. But him say when Tupac passed in the way that he did, him decided, say, you know what, I'm done with music. In the street settings, I say. And him said, viewers and subscribers, had it not been for the fact say you did know Butler, and Butler make him know say you know Bounty Killer, and Bounty Killer can be an artist that can help you achieve your musical endeavors. Him saying contributions to society would not have been musical, viewers and subscribers. But him say all in all, with that being said, him a big up Tupac, viewers and subscribers. Him a pay homage and him remember Tupac for all of his musical contributions. Now, truth be told, without making comparisons, viewers and subscribers, the similarities are staggering. Tupac and Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, has impacted the musical industry, showing not only superb lyrical content, but also unmatched musical poetry, being the vice of their respected ghettos, viewers and subscribers. Tupac is credited with penning, putting some of the most spoken word over beats. Spoken word is a form of poetry, viewers and subscribers, of which Tupac is more known for. Biggie known for the rhymes and the lyrical content. Tupac is known for more poetic lyrical content. He might talk about some things that the people in the garrison definitely have to will feel it to a heart. And the same thing with Vybz Kartel music. Whether Vybz Kartel put out a song for the ladies, whether them put out a song for the G them, I must have put out a song in general for everybody. People can tell you this, the emotion is always felt when Vybz Kartel sang them touch the road. Talk no man are the truth, and the same thing with Tupac Shakur. And him say, if you notice, the West Coast sign, yeah, the West Coast sign, him say it was no coincidence that was the sign when him choose. When him say, you know what, we're gonna make a sign for the Gaza viewers and subscribers. Him say how Tupac did impact his musical journey. Him a listen to Tupac song them from them time. And Vybz Kartel is one of the only dancehall artists who shows that you can pay respects to artists that influenced you, but you can also be influenced by other artists and still put out your own unique sound, viewers and subscribers. Him also say, what you know? It's a Black History Month. Him says not a 1 month thing. Him says not depend on Black History Month. Him say Black history is constant, and we are always adding to that history, because remember what take place today will be history a few years up the line. We don't say down the line. Why? A few years up the line, this will become historic. Vybz Kartel right now before our very eyes are doing some very historical, are making some very historical moves. People just not acknowledge it. People not acknowledge say you're not okay was a blend of dancehall, hip hop and rock that speak to creativity and musical prowess. But people not readily identify that. Where some people are talking about fall off. Oh, you have to say the teacher fall off. That would be saying dancehall has fallen off. And the people who are claim the charts. Remember, everybody's song did get less views recently. We see Tekashi, not like all the other part I mean. Tekashi and Nicki Minaj, and he must say, yo, when him song was at 30 million, that show at 20 million. So he must say something even wrong with that being said, because of the amount of people were logged in, and you know the time when you take to process music. But with some people who are talking about charts, them songs stay up on the charts for a week and it just barely crossed the million mark after being on the charts for weeks. So what them are talking about? What them are talking about? And when since has the trending platform been any sign of an artist being great or dominating the music? Billboard actually said this: if you have digital hits alone, that will not qualify you to put you on the Billboard charts. Them also say sales will not be a factor either. So you see why some people who talk about charts and fall off have never had a song on the Billboard? Never. But they even know why that is even a topic of discussion. But don't know why that even became a topic of discussion, viewers and subscribers. And truth be told, fans, Gaza Nation fans, support, while we can say this, in a dancehall music, our movement is the most solid movement in dancehall music. There are naysayers and there are also mixed multitudes in the crowd. I have some people who now show the support to the teacher song. Them now go view the teacher song, them drop a comment, drop a like and share the song them. Same thing with the videos. Them a watch the vlog them, but them now drop a comment, drop a like and them now share the vlog them, viewers and subscribers. You have to remember, as a movement, this is our duty. What we do is the part that we play. And this is, let me say this as an impact on the music industry overall. When we say music industry, we mean locally. When support of a certain magnitude is started, our fans start to show a certain support to certain artists. It's a domino effect. Means that you get dancehall under the vibe. So you know what? When albums drop, when production drop for the artist, we show X amount of support because of our artists. We like the music. And remember, this make the genre bigger. So we all have a part to play. Whether viewers, fans, stakeholders, promoters, producers, we all have a part to play. We like to make it look like say, oh, the artist not do enough. Well, really and truly, the artist can only do so much. Artists create a creative, lyrical track. Them write it or whatever the case them be. Them record it. Them have the vocals. What more must the artist do other than promote the song? And him can only do so much about promotion. It is now up to the engineers, the producers, the record executive, the label owners, the fans, the bloggers, the radio personalities to put that song out there. It is up to them. And remember, the audience, the fans, I forgot purchase and grab the track. I saw the system work. So when people say your artists fall off, me just say this. All artists have consistently been doing what they have been doing for quite some time now. Even the opposition, them not do nothing new. Them not bring nothing new to the table. As a matter of fact, we see them sing some song that sound like them song they recorded 2 years ago. Nothing new. Vybz Kartel continue to put out dancehall hits, showing unmatched creativity. That is nothing new. The teacher now run the dancehall industry since last week. A years now him do it. Stop making it look like I just one day the teacher start run dancehall. What else it? The teacher been around dancehall music. And we know this for a fact. Because we see the influence, we see the charts, we know what go on the music. The only people who wonder and talk about fall off are probably people who just started listening to dancehall music. Probably them just started the dancehall music last week. Because if you know anything about dancehall music, you don't know that the most dominant artist is of course Vybz Kartel. And we say that without bias. I don't know what that sell, nor do I need or want to know what that sell. And as I'm say, never get the reasoning confused. We want all dancehall artists to be good. We need that. For dancehall to have its own category at the Grammys, we need at least 10 dancehall artists to have songs from the Billboard top 10. Yeah? I so want to see. Top 100 to feature at least 50 dancehall artists. Right, me I say. That means we will need the game to step up. Not just on the artistic level from the artists, but also on the production side. We are need them to mix and master good music. Invest in the game, man. Invest in the game and stop you with subpar productions. And then I look for artists now for bring your song to that level. Yo, if the beat is garbage, what only expect artists to do? Artists can't bring that to no level. The beat was garbage. But I said the one called Jayden, she is a dancehall correspondent and the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right us upon the platform. The like icon there too. Drop a like on the vlog for me, like we here. Share icon is in close proximity. Share the vlog. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and just be respectful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and their opinions there. And we can continue reasoning via the comment section. You know the settings go. And for those who don't, you man move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and Jayden is gonna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.